Alright, where did I leave off with this shit, bro? I need to see who you picking up because I got a notification saying we got a increase, yeah, budget increase. So we shopping. This is technically the second season because I simmed that first season, like what happened in real life. It was like a live season sim. It's the same shit as 2K. They got this feature in this game now. I didn't even know. The only thing that sucks is I don't know what my needs are. I mean, I can see overalls, but I don't know what my needs are because I never really played a full game with this team yet. So I don't know what we're missing. All right, Hato, however you pronounce that. What's the point of these pictures? I don't understand this shit. Like, my nigga, you got their whole face basically cut off. Like, what's the bro? What if I don't know these players? I don't know these players actually. Yeah, I'm looking at my team right now. Unless a team offers a player that's in my short list, I don't know if I'm gonna be targeting anybody too early. I need to play some games first. All right, big moves is happening, bro. God damn, what's going on? Okay, I don't know who that is. That random ass neck tat. All right. Hold on, I'm getting offers. Hold on, I got a loan and somebody for 11 mil. Hold on. Yeah, I overpriced it, but hey, yeah, Premier League, you know what I'm saying, team, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put up the big bucks. Come on, bro. Plus, this nigga seem like he gonna be good. Nigga trying to make me pay 50-50 for the nigga you want alone. The fuck, nigga? Get out my office. The fuck? 8 mil, nigga. Bang, nigga. God damn, that's a bang. That is a bang. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Shit. They hit me up on the news about this because I had him on my short list, but I ain't really cared too much for it. And we already seen Romero. Another loan offer. I'm tired of y'all trying to make me pay 40-50% of the wages, bro. You're the one loaning him. Get out. Come on, bro. Yeah, we entering the one with the most prize money. Unless there's a team I'm interested in to test my team against. Yeah, it ain't really nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the European International Cup. You know what I'm saying? Nigga. Okay. All right. I feel like I've seen this dude before. All right. Damn. Oh, I think I've seen this dude before, but still, like, they need to show the faces, bro. Damn, Pickford left Everton. All right. Cool. All right. We got Brighton. As y'all can see, I got 3 players that I'm eyeing from their team. Nothing too crazy. I'm just eyeing them, you know what I'm saying? That's it. I'm gonna really figure out a lot from this game and what my team needs. Yes, sir. My nigga Don Kanoji. Yes, sir. All right, here we go.
Here we are at one of the great venues for football anywhere in the world, Old Trafford in Manchester.
Oh, this is Man United Stadium. Yes, sir. Good steal. All right, see, Matoma, we're going to have to relax. Matoma, we're going to have to relax. Yes, sir. We good. I switched the goalkeeper. Apparently, I had a 28-year-old that was levels above the supposed starter for them. I don't know why the lineup was like that, but this Adiro guy, he's going to be the goalkeeper. Unless he sells me. All right, De Cunha. Okay. All right. I can tell he's already fast off the rip. Yeah, we good. Pass it. Stress Feza. And pass it. Oh my gosh, bro. We good. Yes, I use R1. I don't care. Hold on. Get him. We good. Cat correct. I'm trying to learn the names too while I'm playing. Salah.
Well, we've been following the changes at the club with a good deal of interest. New manager at the helm.
Where's
Obviously all
Paz?
smiles and handshakes before kickoff, but you do feel, don't you, it's vital
Oh
he gets
my
off to a
God,
quick
bro.
start.
Well, as with any new manager, he'll want to get his ideas across very quickly. It's just whether the players are willing to adapt to his style of play. Today will give us a
Give me
good
that.
indication.
My bad, y'all. I'm playing ass right now. All right, there go Paz.
Kaoru Mitoma.
Damn, that nigga switched fucking Japanese up for a second. He said his name perfect as hell. Lowered his tone and everything. Yo, what's up? All right, I'm selling. Yep, got him.
Determined defending. Well, he always has to be regarded as a dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
That's out on him. That's out on him. That's out on him.
He's got a good leap and he's excellent technique.
Yo, am I tripping? He just walk on the sponsor board or whatever you call that. Yo, these names are ridiculous.
Effective challenge.
I'm about to start making nicknames starting next
Mitoma.
next game or next part.
Can they create something from here?
Yep, relax. That's a steal. Get it. We good. Pass.
Strefeza.
Relax. Go. Come on, bruh. We good. Steal. Interception. Yeah, he fucked me up. Yo.
Now
Thank
through
God
there.
that was on my right back. He would have gotten a chance. This is still
Well, a classic example of how to intercept.
Strefeza. Alright, they're not gonna let me slide. Hold on. Pass.
Well, they must exercise caution standing off as they are. He's fallen
Damn.
on his own.
That was the closest I got. Salah.
Mats Wiefer. And the referee spotted the foul.
No, we good, ref. Come on, bro.
Beyond the last defender, offside.
But it's like they did offside on purpose.
He decided to let
Alright, it's all good. Yo, it's all good, Nico Paz. It's all good.
Yeah, I think that's good refereeing. He tried to play the advantage.
It's all good.
Kakere. Will it happen for them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, a very fine.
Alright.
Go in for him.
At least we got a shot attempt on him.
In the form of a corner.
Oh, that would have not went in anyway. I don't know why the goalkeeper touched it.
And there's the
Oh, yeah.
delivery. And cleared off the line.
It's all good. Good attempts. And this team been in
Mitoma.
the Premier League for a while. We just got promoted.
Now with Ruter.
Not because of me, but we just got promoted. So we holding our own right now. Hold on. Relax.
Could he do a bit of damage here?
We good.
Really was surprising everyone by taking on the shot from that range.
We good.
A good effort from that sort of distance. Really struck it cleanly.
By the way, I'm playing 8 minutes
Cunha.
because I'm trying to cram in as many games as possible each part. I don't want to be on part like
Well, good work.
20 and I'm still in the first season. You feel me? I'm not trying to do all that.
Pretty ordinary
Yo!
but no damage done. That's the main thing.
Got him. Alright, this team is good defensively. Off rip. It's just we don't got like that offensive presence. Or like,
Strefeza.
I don't know. I gotta keep playing.
Oliver Abidgor. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. Well, maybe a good
It's all
position
good.
from which to counter.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Kaoru Mito.
Relax, nigga.
Wiefer.
Relax, nigga.
Tariq Lamptey.
Yo, come on, bro. Damn. They're trying to be Chelsea with these ball movements. Oh, yeah, Vinny. I said Vinny. This is Nico. Nico, pass. Go. Go. Go.
Shouting shoot. He'll be breathing a sigh of relief. Ball one.
Bet. Bet. Wait till I get this ball back. Oh, yeah.
Just cutting off the supply. Can they forge ahead?
Oh, yeah.
Leading it well.
Oh, yeah. Defense.
Big opportunity. Well, wide by a hair's breadth.
But them two shots that got blocked was on target. The last one wasn't on target. We good, we good, we good. Oh yeah, this is the golden nigga.
Strefeza.
Strefeza. All right. I'm gonna learn. I'm telling you, I'm gonna learn these players. Shout on us, out on us. Lowest performers. Yo, the game just started, bro. Well, not really. It's 41 minutes. Hold on, we good.
Keeping it moving dynamically.
Like, but who are they feeling like, bro?
Jorginho Rutter.
Relax.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
They've been pushing for the opener, and now they have it.
But Rodder not even like that for real.
Yeah, here's the set-up play. Well, it's a great look back here, isn't it? And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
All right.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Mark Oliver Kemp. Oliver Abidgor. Strefeza. Taken away. He won the ball. Rutter. 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on.
Damn, ref. Yo. Give me that shit.
And so the referee blows the whistle. We've reached the
It's cool. 1-0. It's cool. It's cool.
I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
We good, bro. We good.
Half here at Old Trafford has commenced.
Oh my gosh, bro. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. Hell no, nigga. That's that shit. Bro, say his name, bro. I'm trying to learn the players.
Kakere,
Kakere. Okay, alright.
Lucas D'Acunha,
What
Maxence Kakere.
was his name? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Nico.
Making progress.
Oh yeah, Nico.
Has eyes for goal. Well, it could have been a better effort, and I think we were all expecting it would be.
Bro, my striker hasn't hasn't had the ball this whole game.
Well, we wondered if this deal was going to be done. In fact, it has now.
Oh, yeah,
been
we seen
done,
that.
Stuart.
Well, he's a great talent.
We good.
His best week in, week out. It's a really good move for everybody.
Yeah.
It's a perfect challenge.
Getting bullied by my nigga, Vojvoda.
Margin Voivoda.
Voivoda.
Well, they're on on the scent of something positive. Oh, this is looking promising. And a fine cross. A bit short with the clearance. No way through.
Damn. Oh, anybody tired? Anybody tired? I gotta check. I gotta check. I gotta check. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Yeah. We good. We good. I might edit those out. In future parts.
On to Ruter. Tariq Lamptey. Mitoma. Good idea. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper.
Bro. This nigga's not fast at all. Well, he kind of is. It's just his acceleration. Yo!
They've won possession.
That was clean. I can't even cap.
Tariq Lamptey. Able to skip past his man.
Who was that foul on? Who are they talking about?
So there might be a threat, but not so in the end. Good defending.
Yeah, nigga move. Yeah, nigga move.
It is a decent looking attack here. But really sticking to the task defensively.
Bro.
Tariq Lamptey. Possession lost by Brighton.
Come on, bro. We got it. Come on, bro. We got it. Go, 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 go.
Exploiting the wide area.
Bro, they treating this nigga like he Neymar. God damn, bro.
For what will be a throw-in. And it is substitution time at this juncture. Not just from one side, but from both.
Yeah, nigga.
And
Oh, yeah.
in there. And clears the danger. Cash in. Almost weighing up the opposition with a string of neat passes.
Yeah, they levels above us as a team.
That's a good pass. Just has to remain calm. Must finish.
Let's go.
Magical piece of goalkeeping.
Let's go.
Just pulled off a great save there. So
I gotta put this shit up as well. Niggas is tired. My golden nigga is tired, bro. Get in there, Corto. Get in there.
it really is.
Yes, sir.
They will now make use of their substitutes bench.
That means I gotta get 3 people out on my next one. Well, I don't got to, but
Let's
It's
see about
like-
the delivery. And quick thinking
I get that
defensively.
clearance. Hold on.
Dealing with the danger. Tariq Lamptey.
Get it, tough, nigga. Damn. Oh yeah, we good.
Well, that's how to keep
Oh, yeah, we
the
good.
opposition at bay.
Oh yeah, we good. Oh yeah, we good. Yeah, that's a red card. That's a red.
Here, having already been booked.
That's a red, bro. That's a red, bro.
And his race is run.
Yeah, he just left
Second
his
yellow.
there.
Oh.
Should have been taken off much earlier.
Yo, somebody deadass had the whole dictionary as their goddamn name. I don't know who that was. Alright, come on, bro.
Just 20 minutes remaining now.
These niggas finna play hot potato, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. God damn. Alright, we good, we good.
Cutrone.
That's how you say that shit? Oh nah, yo. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, good vision.
I'm fucked, bro. This is the nigga with the dictionary name.
Position.
I remember this nigga too from my Everton file on FIFA 23.
Well, here it is again. Through ball to break that defensive line, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head.
What the fuck was that?
As hard as possible. What a good goal.
Well, a poor attempt at a challenge, and on he goes.
Yeah.
But no damage done, that's the main thing.
I bet.
Well,
I bet.
inside the final quarter
I
of
bet.
an hour now.
Yo, they're just making me look bad, bro. This is terrible. This is terrible. Come here, nigga.
Especially strong challenge. Chances on. Really good piece of goalkeeping there. Well,
Whoever this is, bro. I don't know. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, you more versatile. Just play left, bro. Just cause.
the ball.
But we getting embarrassed, bro.
And a timely intervention.
We getting embarrassed, bro.
Mitoma. Promising position, this. Oh, big opportunity. If there were any remaining doubts, that will settle the issue.
Oh man.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
That guy's on this team.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard.
I feel like every team I use, this Ali nigga is here. Yo, relax, bro. Like, damn, bro.
Dele Alli robs of possession.
Yeah, Dele Alli, that's his name. Pass it. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, this nigga's nice. Stress Feza? Yeah, he's nice. Not every player got that. The way you can just move, yeah, that's crazy.
As you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such
Boom!
a good ball, and it's a great
And that motherfucker curved a little bit, I think. I don't know. Yeah, he got good ball handle. Just off that goal alone, this nigga is a permanent starter, even though he's kind of choppy. But it's all good though. He's staying. He's staying in the starting lineup.
So back underway.
I don't care if I got. Nah, actually, no, let me not say that.
Kadioglu.
Hey, at least we didn't get shut out. You know what I'm saying?
And space to exploit, maybe. Mitoma.
At least we didn't get shut out. We good. Be that shit, nigga.
That tackle cannot be overstated.
That's crazy too. I give props to the defense, and these niggas just fuck. Yo, this nigga's crazy.
Difficult to stop him. But they dealt with the threat posed. Kaoru Mitoma.
Oh hell no.
Mitoma. And lining it up. Really spot on with the challenge.
That was crazy.
The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order.
Yo!
A foul at most.
Come on
certainly
now.
was. Free kick given.
Oh, this shit about to be off.
Strefeza. Crossing possibilities. And after the cross, a tremendous block.
That's over.
And there it is, the final whistle.
That was a cool first game. God damn, bro. These niggas embarrass me. And my nigga Kanoji stressing. Damn. My fault, gang. Nah, my fault, gang. Broken toe for 3 months. You out? Shit. Nigga barely ain't do shit. Like, come on, bro. Alright, bro. They just glazed. Oh, look at the yo, bro. Bayern Munich is interested in Martinez. Oh, that's Lissandro, the defender. I thought they was talking about Lautaro, the nigga that just won the Champions League. My guy Verde gonna be the replacement temporarily. I just realized why I kept calling Nico Vinny is because I was playing a Fight Night Champion game and it's a boxer, a lightweight named Vinny Paz. I'm pretty familiar with this team. Every player here except no, actually no. I know every player here. I have a file on them. Outside of this file that I'm playing right now on YouTube, there's another file that I play, and this is this team. So, yeah. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, I can pull off the win.